So some of those key issues I think are relevant to businesses in most clusters within the UK. So you talk about access to finance, access to talent and diverse talent to meet the needs of emerging life sciences businesses, access to infrastructure, and then what you need is that glue that an ecosystem, a local ecosystem provides. But importantly, the connectivity of that ecosystem with elsewhere and internationally. And the West Midlands has a lot to really be proud of in a life sciences context. So world-class academic institutions, world-class infrastructure with places like the Birmingham Health Innovation Campus, diverse talent base, and actually there are more medtech companies in the region than any other region within the UK. Strong CRO base, ability to deliver really innovative clinical trials. And aside from Birmingham, there are those really strong clusters in Nottingham, in Loughborough, and in Warwick. So all the ingredients are there. It's about how you pull that together and take it to the next level. So there are some key elements there. So first of all, it's about continuing to build that enterprise base within the region to really drive that activity and then drive those collaborations. People will then stay, people will then come and base. I've lived for many years in Nottingham. It's a great region to live and work. But a lot of that is dependent on government and private funding. And you've got some great initiatives here in the Midlands Mind Forge, really to capitalise in terms of that translational piece between the academic ideas and inventions into the business reality. You've got accelerators like the Precision Health Technologies Accelerator. We need more than that. I think one of the other things that the region needs to think about is actually the profile. It's a very big place, the Midlands, and so you need organisations to champion and coordinate what is really going on within the region and for which the region should be proud. So organisations like Medilink Midlands have a pivotal role to play in terms of bringing all that together. There are some really key differentiators for the West Midlands. So in relation to that medtech base, what we are seeing within the life sciences is that convergence between life sciences and tech. Birmingham has a key track record in terms of that kind of technology. So it's differentiation, but it's also the connectivity of the cluster here with clusters elsewhere within the UK, but also internationally.